Good morning, dear friends. Today, I would like to tell you about my own coaching classes in Aurangabad, Maharashtra state. In Aurangabad, we are having one class by the name Status Commerce Coaching. I am the director of this institute. Since last 10 years, we are running these classes and running with the various courses for 11th Commerce, 12th Commerce, for BCom, BBA, BCA, MCom, MBA and CA Foundation, CS Foundation and ICW Foundation and CMA courses are also available. I am the director. I am teaching the core subjects of commerce, that is called as accounts, basically the subject which goes very tough for the students because they don't want to relate with the concepts, they don't have any knowledge about the basics and everything. सो इसके लिए अकाउंट्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जहाँ पर आपको बेस आपको बनाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है और 11वीं जो हम नहीं सीखते हैं, नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि 11th है जाने दो, नहीं पढ़ेंगे या बाद में पढ़ लेंगे, तो दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक। यही इंटेंशन है कि किस तरह से आपके बेसिक मैं क्लियर करूं और बेसिक क्लियर करते हुए एडवांस लेवल पर हम कैसे पहुंचे, यही हमारे इंटेंशंस रहते हैं। फॉर दैट रीज़न आई यूज्ड टू टीच अकाउंटिंग एज माई कोर सब्जेक्ट एंड इकोनॉमिक्स ऑल्सो। इकोनॉमिक्स इज अगेन द important subject in the commerce. Without economics, if you are the commerce grad, that means you are not the commerce graduate because you don't know about the knowledge of economics, how the market runs, how the demand, how the supply, what is micro, what is macro, you don't know anything. That means you are not the capable commerce student. As a management, in future you want to be a manager, you can be a manager of any firm, right? So you have to take proper decisions. Unless and until you don't have knowledge of accounts and economics, you won't take decisions. That means you are not the capable managers. Simple. Apart from these subjects, I used to teach accounts, economics, statistics. Statistics, this is also the core subject. Many people lacking behind the formulas and the basics of statistics. हम बताते हैं उनको किस तरह से statistics आपको solve करनी पड़ेगी. What is the basic criteria of solving problems in statistics and all. ठीक है. For MBA we have another finance subjects. फाइनेंस में बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट होते हैं MBA में. इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, सिक्योरिटी एनालिसिस, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट. दीज आर द कोर सब्जेक्ट इन एनी ऑफ द MBA curriculum. So for that reason we have to do the finance subjects also. The most important topic in finance is corporate taxation. You have to calculate the taxes. Now the GST also comes, so GST calculation, how the GST forms we need to submit and all, every details regarding taxation policy, regarding government policy, regarding investment, share market, everything you came to know in this finance. I used to teach those subjects. These are the core subject of accounting. Without these subject, if you are an account graduate or you are studying the account and you don't have any knowledge of this, that means you are not capable enough to hold that position. Apart from that, finance also we are having statistic account. Optimization technique is also the main subject which comes under the MBA. Optimization technique. This is basically, it is called as operation research. How you need to do the research, what are the different models, we have to put our formulas, we have to put our problems in that model and you have to calculate your solutions. So this is also the very interesting part of our curriculum, optimization technique. These are the various subjects, these are the core subject which I am using these concepts and everything, and I used to teach the students. Since last 10 years we people are teaching, thousands of students get benefit with these courses, right? Now what the future is holding for you, we are starting with the classes online and offline. Both the classes we are starting right from the 11th onward, 11th, 12th, BCom, BBA. If you are having any problem in this type of courses, accounts, anything, any subject, so please let me know. This is my number 9823865653. This is my number and we can start with the online batches. Offline also we are having, but still the precautions are there. COVID situation is very dangerous in Aurangabad city. For that reason, we are waiting for the government to control all those things, and once they have given the permission, we will going to start with the offline classes. Till then, online classes are also there on the various platforms. We are offering them. So if you have any queries regarding any subject, if you want to apply for any course, please let me know. I will going to help you, and the fees part is quite like a reasonable fees is being charged by the classes, because I believe in the quality. And if you have any problem, like if the financial position of the any person is not good, so we people will give you the ample amount of discount. डोंट वरी अबाउट द फीस एंड एवरीथिंग, द पेमेंट इज सिंपल एंड एवरीथिंग, वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे. फिलहाल आप अगर कोई कोर्स में एनरोल करते हैं, आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, हम आपको ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों टीचिंग आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. तो प्लीज़ without any hesitation, feel free to call on this number. If you have any doubt, any queries, if you want to apply yourself, you can call on this, right? If you have any queries, you can share with us, and share my number with your colleagues also, with your WhatsApp group and everything, so that large number of people can benefit from this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.